It's your boy Roddy. Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the cabin filter on the 2023 Kia Forte. Simple process, less than a minute, or a minute. You know, I'm Jamaican, so hope that this video helped. Let's get into it. First, you're going to need to open the glove box. Then on the side, remove the shock from the glove box. This way you could lower the glove box more easier. Then remove the two tabs on the inside of the glove box. Just like so, you just turn them counterclockwise and it should come right out. Then lower the glove box, and right directly in front of you, there's gonna be this little cover. You're just gonna squeeze the tabs to remove the cover. And once the cover is removed, then you have access to the cabin filter. Just reach right in and remove the cabin filter. Look at this. This cabin filter only have seen 16,000 miles, and that is way too much. You gotta replace it. I'm using a Fram filter from Advanced Auto. It's very cheap, it's not that crazy, and you can see the difference right there. You just need to go ahead and replace it after at least 10,000 miles. All you gotta do now, just watch the directional on the filter and just slide it right back in. Once you slide right back in, just put the cover back on and you're good to go. And that's how to replace the filter. Now just go ahead and put back the glove box into place. Put the tabs in first and then turn them. So right here, you put it in, then turn it, and then you can do the same thing on the other side. Put it in and then turn it. Make sure you put the shocks back on, because if you don't put the shocks on, the door is going to be very loose and you don't want that. So now it's on and you're good to go. Now what if you left the shocks off? Then the door will be like that. So you don't want that. So just put the shocks on so it feels more luxury, you know what I mean? Alright guys, I hope that this video helped. As you see, it's a very simple process. You don't need no tools, no real experience. You just need to go in there and have a little bit of a handwork, and that's it. You're pretty much good to go. So I hope that this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.